Hi guys, I'm gonna be unboxing the Bluetooth Bluarmor C50 Pro. I just got the parcel, so let's see what there's inside. Okay, we have the pack. Okay, it says Bluarmor proprietary tech, Ride Aura, MacDock, Ride Grid 2.0, E-Ride Grid, port weave. And then this is, I guess this is the front side. And then yeah, there's some functions that's given here. Okay, slide it up. The box looks very futuristic. So there's a seal here. Okay. Nice. So this is your the helmet button, I guess. You have a couple of pouches here, and then this side we have the handlebar button, and then we have our headset, headphones and mic, and then in center we have the Bluetooth device. The device looks very compact, smaller than the C30 Pro. Okay. Here you have the dock, I guess, something like this. Nice. Okay. And then we have some instructions, what's inside the box, blah blah blah, and we have, I guess this is your the holder, and this a 3M sticker, not sure which this holds. And then we have the charging kit. We have two pouches. We have the charging kit. We have the T-stick Velcro, and then we have the T-stick strap mount, and then there is MacDock rear flap, and then we have speaker spacer foams. Okay, let's see what we have this side. We have the T-stick. Let me take out the... Okay, so this is the mic and the headset. The mic and the headset is different from what we have in the C30 Pro. Okay. And then we have a click dock cable, and then we have the harness, and then we have a boom type mic as well. Okay, and then I guess this is the clip which clips onto the helmet. Yeah, so that was the unboxing of the Bluarmor C50 Pro. Thank you for watching.